So we're jumping straight into NCS to get some more music because I am maybe getting a little bit tired of the stuff I'm already listening to. Let's see. You know what? We're taking that one. What about this one? Come on, play. Sky. Okay, that one too. That's fine. And what about this one? Oh no. All right, open stream this one. And add that to the list. Stop that one, and apparently that one's unavailable. We need like a third one here. What about these? No, hold on. This one looks cool. The fact that it has a violin or F string instrument is an instant yes for me. Thank you very much. And now we're gonna go ahead and just play the NCS stream playlist. There we go. And where we go. Cool. And it starts out with one of the new ones, which is phenomenal. Oh, I forgot to rename the stream. You know what? I'm gonna do that right now. Wow. Fireball. All right, so looking at here, we're still working on this thing. I worked a little bit on it off stream, but I'll be compensating a bit. Let's turn that music a lot down a little bit. There we go. I need to get that working properly. So, what are we naming this one? We're naming it the wheel rewards and reward adjustments. Let's call it that. Actually, you know what? Finishing synchronized wheel rewards. All right, cool. I can just hit update all, and that is perfect. Perfect. All right. We are more or less ready to get going. Right, welcome to the stream. And right now, I'm gonna go right ahead and start on my roll home like so. And then, oh, oops, like so. And now, I need to figure out if like if I did anything at all, because I feel like it was still kind of fucked last time. Like the time, specifically the time, was kind of broken. So now I did os.time minus last reward change instead of just passing last reward change through, which was horrendous. That did not work. So let's see. Uh oh no, I lost my daily rewards. Did I not log in yesterday? I guess not. See, one thing that I'm noticing, right, is that these pets, even though I've got them equipped, they're not actually showing up as equipped on here. Just a quick fix for that one, I hope. Um, oh no, this is the modules inside of the server. It's kind of supposed to do the one in here, yo. Equip. Hello there. Hello there, alien. Welcome back. And Larp, Larps. Lar- yes, you. Hello. Welcome to the stream. I cannot pronounce your name, but that is hopefully fine. Uh, I hope you're not offended by my pronunciation of your name. Sorry. As you can hear, my speech is kind of broken, as is. Bum bum. So right now I'm trying to figure out why equipped pets do not show us up as equipped immediately when starting the game, which is a little disappointing, but it is not totally a total disaster. The update buttons is run. Oh, it's not run when the buttons are created. That's the problem. That's an easy fix. I'll just go down here, and after setup buttons, we'll do update buttons immediately, and that should. Oh my goodness, why do I keep showing? You know what? I'm hiding this. There we go. So I'm no longer clicking that. We agree. I'm no longer going to be opening my mails in the middle of a stream. Right, let's check if the pets are now saying equipped by default, because they should. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. One line of code. And now we've got an error. Okay, so this is the kind of stuff that we're going to be running into today, because we're working on the modular, what did I call them again? Synchronized wheel rewards. Sorry. Right, so that's going to be the main focus of today. And I hope some of you have a better time than I'm going to be having, because I feel like I am going to be crying a lot of tears today. Okay, so let's get out of the pet module. Fixed pets not showing equipped when starting the game, because that's a problem. And like so. Okay, so now I am a little bit confused because it's forcefully. Oh my god. Okay, there we go. That's not right. That's got something to do with the fact that this is wrong right here. And I'm pretty sure it also warns me about that. Yeah, look at that. Time issue somewhere here, please fix. So that's me crying because it's not working. And yeah, no, that's certainly not working. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong time-wise. Because, you know, it is a time management problem. Year is the date table dot year. So the current year. And the day is, well, now. The month is date table dot month. So that is, so that's the current month. So we're not really taking months into account here. And then hour is equal to the last updated hour. Which is set where exactly? Oh, this is while trying to get the time. Oh, that's really unfortunate. Get current time compared. Yeah, that sucks. Did it not like update or anything? Get currently saved rewards. Oh, geez. This is going to be great, especially because I don't actually have an editor to go in and check what is currently active on the memory store. I only have what I bring to the fight here. Um. Oh man, my brain's melting here. Okay, so let's start from the top. Let's start from the top. So first of all, we're trying to do what exactly? We're trying to get the currently serialized awards, right? If that fails, actually, let's see if it does fail. Go further up. So let's see. It does something about this, trying to invoke something that's intended. And then immediately goes into this. So there's no warnings. It does actually find serialized data, reward data. So what it does, uh, oh, uh, I'm just responding to Laura in text so he understands what I'm saying, or well, so he can translate what I'm saying, because I feel like that's gonna be easier than trying to understand my speedy and shitty English. English. England, right. Um so unserialized data. So it takes the currently serialized data and it pops it into a new object, which is right. And then if not data, then it crashes out. But it does find data and it inserts it into the table because none of this crashes, right? We saw that. Hold on. I think I should pin this somewhere, like permanently. I'm not sure if you can do that in Roblox, like pin a game link permanently. So that right there. Oh right, I should probably put that in text. Can yeah, but I know I can pin it in the chat, but I'm not sure if I can pin it like for the next stream as well. Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. It kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Like I should probably just write the name of the game on the screen somewhere. If enough people are asking, I just think I can pop it in as like a thing there. You know, I could also just pop in a like gameplay, like an hour's worth of gameplay. I could like you know how the some YouTubers do it with shorts. I just put it on the top right corner. Okay, so it's unserializes the data here, then gets the current time compared, and this is the bitch. Okay, this is the one that bites me in my ass. Because it actually oh sorry this part because it actually sucks. Yeah, I could do that. I could do that. That might be a good idea. Wait, is Spotify not capturing? Oh, are you not hearing the music? Oh, come on. Do I have to set it to Spotify every time? Oh man, I've been going on. I've been playing music for the entire stream. Well, I guess it is what it is. I just changed sound settings, so hopefully it's gonna keep going like this. Thank you, thank you. Fuck. Okay, let's see. So the date table is the current time. I wonder if this is gonna work on a server. Like, I mean, time is kind of broken on Studio, but then again, it should have used the exact same time every time, so it's equally broken every time. Oh my, oh gracious. Okay, so what it does is it finds a last updated. How do I hold on? I'm pretty sure there's a time dot os dot diff time. Ooh, ooh, hold on. Diff time, and then they both of them are required. But what if I insert date table? Oh, that does an error. Oh wait, no, that's error. Yeah, that makes sense. os.time, and then I'm inserting the day of year, and hour equals hour, well, last updated dot hour, and then month equals date table dot month, and year equals date table dot year. So I guess that works, right? Hold on, is this supposed to be Y day? No, it's just supposed to be day, I think. Yeah, bucket. All right, so time diff. Look, diff equals os.timeDiff, and then you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna say os.date. We're gonna put in like so, and then we're gonna put in the time, which is os.timeDiff. Let's see if I'm super smart or super stupid. It's one or the other, people. Catastrophic failure. Oh, shit. Really? Catastrophic failure. I'm not enjoying the fact that I put the words catastrophic failure in my own code, because it's kind of it kind of keeps coming back here. Memory store failed to supply the master server. Enable backup loop on the job ID, which is currently nil. Cool. Where exactly? It's a wheel in server modules. Let's see, job ID, that's line 542. So right here, print test job ID. Actually, you know what? Test string. Bitch, it's nothing. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. It's a space bar. It's literally just space. False? No. Okay. What about this? Okay, so it's literally just nothing. There we go. Enjoy reading my train of thought. So, okay, so it's not the fact that it's not equal this and game.job ID or testing. Okay, good. So now that I've got that out of the way. Oh, fuck. Okay, so failed to supply a master server. But the thing is, right? Get async. . shit. Wait, what? 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 Why did I... What? That's why it's crashing? Oh, man. I kind of shot myself in the foot there. If not current, then this is supposed to go in here, you dumb fatso. And then, right after that, people, what is it supposed to do? It's supposed to set master server equals job ID. So it is equal me, right? Start. Calling me, calling royalty. Oh, right. Number expected got table. Invalid argument number 1 to diff time. Cool, because it's literally just the only place I ever use diff time, so it's pretty easy to find actually. Oh, this thing. Try that. Okay, it doesn't crash, but then again, I didn't tell it to print anything. Nil? Nil. Okay, what about just the diff time then? What? Wait. Maybe the other way around then? But no, how does... The date table is now. Oh, right. It's back in time. So the difference is negative something. But negative... That's a big number. Print os.date, and we're doing the one with that thing, and then we're doing this, and then we're reading it because people... That is 1 day, 1 hour, 19 minutes, 5 months, 31 seconds, 6... It's a... That's... What? I'm very confused. Okay, so the diff time. The FOMO's daily one? I think there's a translation mistake there. Okay, so the difference in time is apparently several years, which is not great. So now comes the question, is it because I saved it wrong, or is it because I read it wrong? Okay, so is it write or read? And I've spent a while just trying to mash that into my head. I feel like there's a problem here. And I want to prove it to myself by doing this. I did not mean to do that. Okay, so this obviously does nothing. Day of year 133. hour 20. So that's the data I'm getting out, apparently. Well, I mean... this is actually, I just tried to find something that wasn't copyrighted, and this was on a website that was called non-copyrighted sounds, so, I'm using this. Would you rather use, that I use jazz that was copyrighted? Because I feel like that's a bit of a no-no. So 133. So what if I print? What if I try and get the date today? Oh, it's that date. So. Oh shit! I still got it going. Right. But the current date, we need to go for the. Come on. It's still year day 133. Oh right, yeah. But hour 20? Oh wait, that is right. Yo, last updated. That is totally right. Oh, I don't make water. I make games though. Oh, he probably meant if I sold water. But I don't do that either. I just drink the stuff that comes out of the tap, which I understand that some people don't understand is possible, but in Denmark it is very much possible to just pull it out of the tap and then chug it. I'm a little bit worried about this. The fact that this is failing, or just not happening. Print, success, error. And then we'll see what happens under the hood. Please? True nil. Okay, so it actually does succeed. Print updated and last update. But see, the current goal is to try and make the system not fail. Which is... Oh, well... Yeah, maybe I should have named it something. Oh, actually, there it is. Okay, so it does load the data. And just so you guys are aware, this system is supposed to return a difference of about an hour. And right now it's returning like several years. So that's not great. Like if I take diff and divide it by 3,600, which is the hour count, like how many seconds are in an hour, and we just play it. Thank you for the follow, Lord. Very, very appreciated. Okay, so currently 2,879 hours. That's not great. Now how the fuck, to say it politely, did that just happen, right? Because if I go in and say date table dot day, right? I go in and say that, then the only thing that actually comes for the last updated one is hour. So right now we can see if there's something wrong with the way I'm doing this. No, see, what? Now it's 0.78. What do you mean politely? I write to him in the chat because he probably probably doesn't speak a lot of English, so I try to so I can use this Google Translate on it. I don't know what you mean by politely. I'm trying to understand it. Okay. Wait. The difference between now and now. Okay, you know what? I should probably do the same thing for both of these. So like this right here, but then have it's in the sky. Date table.hour. But Alien, what do you mean? It's true. Oh my god, it's 8 hours now. How did it turn to 8 hours? I didn't do shit. Oh, 8 hours. No, that is not right. So, okay, no. No. Don't do that to me. We don't need the different time. Print, diff is, this minus this. Because I feel like that's what diff time does. And if diff time doesn't work with like the objects, then there's no reason for me to use it, really. How I say it politely? Well, honestly, I don't remember that. I might be losing my memory too, man. I don't know. 22. Alzheimer's hitting early, man. Oh, come on. Okay, so it's still at 8 hours, right? Yeah, 8 hours. So that sucks. So the diff time was correct, but the OS the time might not be. So here is date table dot everything. Only thing different over here is the day, is the hour. So what if I go last update dot day of year, like so? Like what is it gonna say then? Please say 1 hour. Fuck, man. What do you mean 2,888 hours? Are you off your fucking meds? Are you completely fucked? Hold on. What day is it? And then we're gonna say last update dot day of year, and we're gonna say date table dot day. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. What the fuck? Oh, it's the fucking day of the month. Piece of shit. Okay, so at least that explains it. I'm still quite disappointed in myself, and my eyes are hurting. Whoops. What day is it? Oh my god, it's year day. Of course it's year day. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, okay. Fuck you. Day equals date table dot day. You happy? Apparently I had to include that. It was a requirement by the government. Still says the fucking time difference is 8 hours? 8 hours from what? Let's see. So day 13, but year day 133. Is DST? What does that mean? Roblox os.date is DST. Oh, it's daylight saving time. Okay, gotcha. So it's apparently let's see. Oh, it's definitely not US time, my friend. Wait. No, it's not US time. Why would it be US time? I don't live in the US, I live in Europe. And it's currently running off of a European server. And TSC, what is it called? UTC, sorry. Universal Time Calendar is somewhere along Europe as well. UK time? Yeah. Yeah, UK time, it might be, yeah. Probably London, right? Because those damn conquerors, they conquered basically everything and said, you know what? This is our time. This is the time you follow. And everyone was like, alright, we're afraid of guns. Let's just follow whatever these crooked teeth motherfuckers are saying. So, 8 hours, eh? Between this and this. I don't see how that works. Oh shit, you know what? I think I have to save an extra variable. No, I don't have to save it. I can just calculate it properly. Eh. I'll figure it out along the way, you know? Forgot to put this on the live stream playlist. Let me do that real quick. There we go. So, apparently, this over here and this over here is 8 hours different, even though it is basically the same fucking thing. Now look at this. Side by side, they look more or less like each other. So year day. Actually, let's just go for the like so. And then the only thing is updated is the hour. This is got to be like around 1 hour, okay? Because we're getting close to like 1 hour in the time difference. But if it's more or less, I will fucking lose it. Okay? Fuck! 8 hours? Are you kidding me? I'm doing 8? Oh my god. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Okay, if anyone sees a mistake here and isn't telling me, you're diabolical and you should be banished from whatever country you live in. Can someone please tell me what I'm doing here? Cause I don't get it. You know what? Hold on. What if I say this right here, okay? Okay? So now it's literally the same thing, okay? If it's still 8 hours, I know we're fucked. Seriously? print hours. We're gonna do the one on there. And we're gonna do this one, and what we're gonna do afterwards is dot hours our minus last updated dot hour. Okay? Okay. So now we're gonna get the full overview of what the fuck is going on here. 2020, right? Everyone's seeing that. God. How is this even possible? What if we, you know what? Let's try a simple thing for once. Let's try and not overcomplicate things and just say this, like, just turn around the statement. It's probably gonna, it's plus 8 hours, right? Why 8? Why 8 hours? I swear, making a game is like being a detective of your own bullshit. Like you walk into something, you're like, oh, I must have messed up, right? And you find a dead body on the floor, and you're like, nah, that ain't mine. Okay, so if we do this right here, it returns in seconds, right? Yeah, 28,800 something. 28,800. No, that's 288,800. And that's not okay. You know what I want to see? I kind of want to see what information this thing is containing that I'm not. This is why I hate working with time. It fucking sucks.
Spotify Premium giver dine ører lige det, de fortjener. Du får adgang til millioner af sange i høj kvalitet, så du kan nyde musikken uden begrænsninger. Få 3 måneder gratis i dag og opsig abonnementet når.
Is that right? Is that the number we're getting? 28800, yeah. We got a bot, people. We got a bot. Let's see. Ban this motherfucker. There we go. You're just ignored? Then why is it giving me an error? Like, I swear. Hold on, let's see if this actually works, because sometimes the IntelliSense is just bullshit. Nope, the day is ignored. So here's the thing, we're gonna have to say instead of year day, we're gonna have to save month day, and then we're also gonna have to save the month itself. So day of month instead. Shit. This is what happens when you don't like put stuff where it's supposed to be. This, it breaks it. Like I've just broken my entire script because I thought it was a good idea to just ignore certain standards and just push through. Oh boy. Is anyone else getting like a super hot country at the moment? Because I'm having a good old time over here with like, I'm pretty sure we could fill up a pool with water and it'll be evaporated in a few hours. Like it's like for my country, this is just super hot right now, and it's like it's not even that hot. It's like, how hot is it? Hold on. How hot is it? You know what's funny? When I call 13 degrees Celsius hot, whoops. Yeah, well, apparently so. Oh man, I'm telling you, it's gotten colder. I'm pretty sure it was like 20 degrees out earlier. For a guy that's used to like 5, I feel like it's getting hotter. A lot hotter. Okay, I gotta change up some of this stuff here. So hour is still fair. I could probably remove this print statement. But now, instead of year day, we're removing that one entirely. We're just going day and day. And we're putting this on, yeah, sure, day. But this one is gonna be last updated dot day of month. How about you guys on YouTube? Have you anything to say? Anything to add to my dilemma with time? Have you ever had that issue before? Not enough of it or too much of it? I feel like the only point in time where you've actually got to... Oh, never mind. They all left. If anyone... If anyone thinks about leaving, just forget about it. You can't. My stream is one of those where you can't leave. So, yeah. This will most 100% certainly crash. Why is this indented? What? What? Okay, so this P call right here. Oh, wait, did I... Oh, like, yeah, okay. I was thinking that was looking a little bit weird. Okay, cool. So day of year is no longer a thing. It's gonna be day and day of month. Or last updated dot month is not equal to date table dot month. I feel like that's a pretty good one as well. Let's see. Last updated day of month, which is day, and then month, which is date table.month. And last reward change. Day equals last updated dot day of month. Last updated hour, month. Like so. Is that good? Does that crash? Probably. It's probably gonna crash. Maybe I should... hold on. Hmm. 10 what? Yes. I agree. Okay, so it is indeed crashing. I was kind of expecting that. So here's what we're gonna do. Right up here. Actually, up here, we're gonna do this. We're gonna set async instead. We're gonna say the data is... Actually, you know what? Remove async. That way I can just test it. Test it out. See, now it fully crashes, and it gives me an even more serious error. Which is something... Why is it going into the master one? Immediately. Like, okay, so I get that it's supposed to go into the master, but it's supposed to overcome some of these challenges itself. 390. I'm not exactly supposed to babysit this thing to make it run. If I do that, then it's not much of an automated game. It's more of a... No, Homer, please. I do not want to get coverage. It is bad for business. Get current time compared. Print success. Success error. And we've got ChatGPT just in case, you know. Haha. Yeah, no. What? Really? The difference is 32,400. Really? Okay, is it too late to just delete the game and just move on with my life? Oh boy. Okay, so current day of month is 13, current hour is 21, and current month is 5. See, that is the exact data. And it's supposed to give me, like, a value below 1,000 right now, but it's not. Mr. Pepe, what are you doing? What are you pepping about? Do you see the issue? Do you wanna tell me? I'm a little bit afraid of the update available in the top right. I kind of feel like they're gonna come steal my UI again. But hopefully not. No, alien, you piece of shit. Come here. Get back here. You're telling me this moment. What is the problem? My brains will cook themselves. I'll smack you with a dead fish. Oh, so you don't know it either. Gotcha. Yeah, exactly. Look at that. Look at that. Bogo. Never mind. I tried. I think it's a good thing that I only put finishing Synchronized the rewards on the stream for today. Yeah, that's fair enough. Let's see. Last update, day of month. The hour. You know what I'm gonna do? No, I can't do that. I can't do that. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. Seconds in a month, but that's variable. It depends. Depends on the month. Local start. Current seconds equals date table dot day times 86,400 because that's the amount of seconds in a day, plus date table dot hour times, well, that's 3,600. And we're doing the exact same thing for previous seconds. But we're doing this thing where we're saying day of month, and then we're going exactly the same thing on the hour. Print diff1, and it's current minus previous. You know what? My method works a lot fucking better. So I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna remove the hour again. Fuck, that sucks. Ah, boy. Boy. Get over here. Last rewards change. Shit, am I still using all that time there? Oh, bitch. Local function get oh my god, I just read your message, man. Yeah, so you are apparently counting days until you go into the military, which is that because you want to go into the military? Or is it because you're dreading it? Oh boy. Oh right, you don't understand what I'm saying. Hold on. Are you counting the days because you're excited for it, or because you're scared to go? Man's counting the hours till he goes into the military. Get time since last, what do you call that? Reward refresh. I feel like, local date table equals os.dates, and that's going to be in a table format. And last updated, as a matter of fact. I don't remember. I don't remember where I had that. Oh shit. Last updated. Last updated. My brain is not understanding this shit. I actually have to define it in here, I think. I'm a little bit afraid of defining it in there, because if I define it in there, then it might break. It might break pretty easily. So... Oh man, this is hurting my head. Like genuinely, I think it would have been better if I just left it alone. But then again, when I get to the other side of this, it's gonna feel great. It's gonna be good. Be good, very good. What is, I forgot what that print. I know that math command, and I might need it. ABS minus 21. It's gonna return 21. If I do 21, then it's just gonna return 20. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so it returns the absolute value. That's good. So right now, it would probably be best for me if I see, I'm trying to visualize what I want to do, but the part of my brain that visualizes things have probably already gone to sleep. The last updated goes down here, then it gets the async, then it does this math, but I want this math to be done elsewhere. So Yeah, that's actually a really good idea, Alien. Just translate it using ChatGPT. Like, it might not get it entirely right, and it might just start making its own story up. But, like, I mean, who knows? Maybe it won't. Hopefully. Let's see. I'm gonna be quiet for a minute. You guys can see, I'm still gonna respond to you guys, but I'll be a little bit more quiet so I can focus on getting this done. It's a very heavy on the mind thing. Fuck. Really? This is the calculation it makes? Really? Oh, I understand. Yeah, no, I fucked up. Okay, last reward change is equal 30 seconds. Local, actually, you know what? Local current time equals os.time. And then we're gonna pop that right in here, so it'll use that time. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna say fuck. So last reward change is supposed to be a date, like a time or something. So it's time, it's current time, current seconds, sure. Wait, did I call it that? I did call it current time, like so. Minus, and I'm pretty sure it is, because my math is a little broken here. Last reward change equals current time minus that. Okay, so right now it should be about 30 minutes, okay? It should retract about 30 minutes because at 21:00 it should have fixed it. Fuck, man. Put it at 0. Why did it put it at 0? What's its fucking problem? print set 1. I just need to figure out where it's doing it. Set 2. And set 3. And then of course set 4. Set 2. Okay, hold on. We'll go look for set 2. So it is most certainly the stuff that we did previously. Oh boy. I am not looking forward to this one. Why is it coming out as 0? Oh, for fuck's sake. I know way. I think is the E pronounced ete, or is it like I'm you know it says 8, but I don't feel like that's what it's asking. I'll go watch it. Oh, I know why. It's because I'm a dumbass. So, you know, usual stuff. So, the current days of the year, plus the hours, plus date table dot minutes times 60, plus date table dot seconds, which would be times 1, but we're not doing that. Look at that. That is actually pretty beautiful, guys. If I may say so myself. That is some pretty hot steak right there. Oh, 389, my sweet love. 389. You are getting deleted from the game. Oh, man. By the way, Alien, Lorp asked you your age. Because you said you weren't looking at the stream, so I just thought you wouldn't be looking at the chat either. You know, a hunch, if you will. Okay. So now that time is changing correctly, that's cool, but I have no proof that it does so over multiple servers. Let's see. Well, apparently 32 is too old. I'll remember that in 10 years' time. I'm a little bit worried about the set command down here. let's say it doesn't get the master, right? It fails to get the master. So what we're gonna do here is we're saying testing 2. So basically we're saying a different server is currently the master, so you just gotta follow the lead. And that, if that works, then this is more or less done. Oh my god. Wait, is that straight up the same one? Hold on, let me just check that. If that's the same one, then we've got a winner. Winner, chicken dinner. People. That works. It fucking works. Do you understand how fucking cool this is? And if I remove this, right? If I remove the testing 2 again, then I don't want it overriding the data. I want it to like pay respect, like wait. Pay respect, right? Be respectful is what I'm trying to say. Like, stay out of the way. Click play. Look at the data again. Oh, hell yeah! Let's see what it does down here. Does it spin up the master? Actually, I should probably add a print statement for that, a dev print. Let's see. Where's the master? It's right here. If run service is studio, then warn dev wheel master. Actually, you know what? No, I'm just gonna spit it out. No, because it's gonna flood something. Master server initiating. Else, print. And we're just gonna do the same thing here, but just not with the warning. We're gonna say, will master server initiating. Cool. So, that's it, done. It only took me 1 hour and 20 minutes to finish this system. And then, you know, everything that happened yesterday, which we're not talking about yesterday. That was tough. Right. I'm creating a pull request. I'm shutting down this branch. Hopefully that should be it for today. If it gives me any more trouble, I'm moving it to the testing, that requires further testing area. Because whenever I'm done with the game, I'll run through the entire testing list and be like, does that work? Does that work? Does that work? And then whenever I get to the point where I just say yes to the entire list, I'll just say, all right, well, I guess we're releasing the game. But not right now. Now we are stuck. Cool. Okay. Well, actually, as I said earlier, I am kind of, what do you call it? I'm kind of done. My brain doesn't work today. And I might be back in the weekend. I'm not 100% sure because I might be at someone else's house, but we'll see. Thank you guys very much for watching. Sorry about the short stream today, but I just had to get something done, and I felt like an audience would be nice. So.